Hello everyone. Welcome to Target45. My name is Jyoti. When we drive, we use our eyes to see the road, hands to steer, and feet to control the pedals. We constantly make decisions like when to stop at a red light, turn the wheel to avoid an obstacle, or slow down when there is traffic. We also watch for pedestrians and think quickly to stay safe on the road. There is a self driving car named Target 45. Unlike humans, Target 45 doesn't need hands or eyes to drive. It uses smart sensors to see the road and make decisions. It can stop at red lights, avoid people crossing the street, and take new routes if something blocks the way. Just like a human, Target 45 thinks fast but never gets tired. Every day it drives carefully, making sure its passengers are safe. When computers or machines are made to do things humans usually do, this is called artificial intelligence or AI. This includes thinking, learning, solving problems, seeing things around them, and understanding language. Artificial intelligence can be found in lots of technology like computers that can learn on their own, machine learning, programs that understand human speech like natural language processing, cameras that recognize faces like computer vision, and robots that can move and do jobs without help. Do you know technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, data science, and natural language processing use Python? Python has many libraries that support these technologies. If you missed my previous video on why you need to learn Python to future proof your skills, please watch it. Also, please subscribe to the Target 45 channel. Don't forget to like, share, and comment so that the YouTube algorithm will recommend it to others and it would be helpful. Thank you.